Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is the Great Tay Tay. If it's your first time here, welcome. So for today's video, I'm just gonna quickly show you guys how I slayed this hair. So stay tuned and keep on watching. Hey guys, I just washed my hair and blow dried my hair. So this is what it looks like. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just gonna part off a section at the front because that's where I'm gonna be adding my elastic bands or my rubber bands, whichever way you want to call it. So that's where I'm going to be adding my rubber bands. So I'm just parting off a section at the front, and I'm just putting my hair at the back in a bun or whatever, just to kind of like get it out of the way. And then the area at the front, what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be parting that section in very small boxes, and then I'm going to add my rubber bands to those areas in the small boxes that I part off at the front of my hair. So that's it. The rest of the video, you guys, it's pretty self-explanatory, so I'm not gonna be with y'all talking for the entire video, so you can get to enjoy the video and see exactly what I'm doing. And also, you guys, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, feel free to subscribe, join the family. It is free, so hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload any new content. And also, you guys, talk to me, leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know if you like this video. Let me know if this is a style that you would try on your hair. With this style, you guys, you don't even need to have 4C hair. If your hair is not natural, you can do it. If you have if your hair is permed or whatever, like this style, you don't necessarily have to have natural 4C hair like me. And just in case you may be wondering, the gel that I'm using at the front of to slay my little edges there, I'm using my -27 edge control. It's available on my website, www.-27.com. So if you want to go support your girl, feel free to visit my website and grab your edge control, you guys. So I'll see you guys later on into the video, later down at the end of the video. So just keep on watching, and don't forget to like, share this video with a friend, and subscribe and comment. Okay, you guys? Peace out until the end of the video. I'll see y'all at the end. Guys, I'm just removing my little headband thingy. I just tied on my hair, you know, just to get my edges to be laid and whatnot. So this is what my hair looks like. This is the finishing touch. Let me know if you like this video. Stay blessed, keep motivated. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video.